Cooking for Kids. Today we're going to make a s'mores cake.
The ingredients you'll need today are caster sugar,
Butter,
2 eggs,
cinnamon,
golden syrup,
buttermilk,
marshmallows,
chocolate.
and of course flour.
After preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius, we're going to add in our butter and sugar. So 120 grams of butter,
As well as 100 grams of caster sugar. After you've creamed together your butter and sugar, you're going to add in 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, as well as your buttermilk. Now add in 150 grams of self-raising flour, as well as 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Put it into the oven for around 15 minutes. Whilst your cake's still warm, add on your chocolate and marshmallows. You can halve your marshmallows if you want. Put it into the grill for 2 more minutes.
Thank you very much guys for watching another video. I hope you enjoyed. The recipe for the s'mores cake will be below the video.
And make sure to give a cooking click on the subscribe button and smash the like button.
We're going to give it a try.
Mmm.
Mmm.